QMU is a great university. The environment's very welcoming and friendly.
Queen Margaret University is very much a community.
Absolutely loved my 4 years there. I studied international hospitality and tourism management.
Queen Margaret is a campus-based university, which is actually quite good because everything is in one location. On the bus route from Edinburgh to Queen Margaret is a very picturesque coastal route. You get to see the sea and the beaches, which is amazing. There's a train station, and you can literally get off the train and then walk to the campus.
The tutors and lecturers were very approachable.
They go out of the way to ensure that they help the students. The students are aware that there is always help and support for them.
The small class sizes probably helped me study better because it didn't make me feel overwhelmed. You have things explained better to you, and the help that's on offer at Queen Margaret University in terms of the LRC, the Student Union.
It's unique and it cannot be compared to other universities within Edinburgh. This is definitely the university to study at.
Do not think twice. This is a place where you will not feel like you're just a number.
Go and look at the campus and see for yourself.